I'm just going to reiterate it, but I'm not going to push unnecessarily. It's a no fun being a competition. This is not football. This is not AFCON, guys. Calm down.
And when they invite people like Ramsey, Noah, Victor Swagu to come and take part in your production, it is to grow you. It is not to grow us. It is to grow you. And without them, your film will not go around the world.
Right, Kojon Cancer Lilwin movie opportunity said the country called Ghana. It generated a lot of conversations. But I say, Enra were your press and I say we share a yen some for a cast that cast for the movie no so the way movie never console and won some kakra to that. Na Nigerians see a bekasa kakra na Enra were F2 hotel and apartment ho ene hyemudie ni nyina ekoso a na enye agrokra omode omonsem tutudwa na wei ena eye Ramsey Noah ese wei enye competition o catch the Ghana for our master eye agenda any debate e wo Twitter any other media eye amo chirimu a omo no on ensensem bebere a omo kafa omo ho se e de ntina Lilwin na kwa akofo maba no mo se enye competition na womo omo wa ha se omo beboa ama Ghana movie no akoso na omo kasi so people bia se womo sa face miensa na omo ba no omo beboa ama Ghana akọ international na without them no they cannot go omo say omo be blow Ghana movie and I say Ghana sinika no omo be ma no blow na enye se omo no na ye be ye omo favor ama omo blow dada sema omode atudwa me pese ye kwone ekotie conversation a course wo honum Lilwin so din nsem bi tudwa Lilwin chiremu a movie we umpo by force or aggressive or the movie no ebeko eye Netflix a ye bom pai se ebeba musama no ebuso yen kotie conversations a esiye ewo ehonum
Chinchini ama mehu enema. Ebusianfo wo hwe ba bia megina yidia na ye F2 hotel and apartment I wo akom off the offense road. Aha no mu sei na sa wo pe apartment papa. Broni se furnished apartments. Eden na eni ha wo power ha no mu sei wo pese akonwa eden na wo pa wunya bibia ewo aha no mu sei otrofo e na se me dance ni ewo abrochimemu F2 hotel no na ewo ha no mu sei apartments no so ewo echiro enu nti no se de be ya bibia be ya comment no yenye yie na ebusianfo so de me kan no wa hwe oba F2 a celebrities ni nyina aha no mu sei na omo media dance a kire mpanifo obi anim se aha no mu sei de titiw na beda ha mo ebusianfo eno ano waka na kukudam aha no mu sei na mo beje o mahome na mo joju o mo ho ma na ye fe pa enu nti F2 hotel ni ye wura mu na wo so kobo wani akohoma na hye se F2 hotel ya wade papa. Wow, just a wura cry with your phone from maybe a bedding car foul hono. Would me say yes, we pay by you, papa. Oh, good afternoon. Now what to say? Namia don't me. Me na me frey na me booking room deda. Timaba na mon family room na me marsh phone so and she send you F2 hotel your rooms no is it here. All right. But room 13. All right. Ebusian for kan ya ho na yen kwahwe room 13. Wow. This is home. F2 hotel. Feels at home.
So who baby and pedia? F2 hotel. Kala kumase. Ena mabeje media. F2 hotel. Bia who baby abi. Ewo F2 hotel. Na me right inside the room. Na who say F2 hotel. Omo ye best. F2. Who ye kiki. Who ye best. Na omo hotel inside the room. Oh chale. Me se me ba kumase bia. Aha. And I make a look my bada. After hotel, we are kicking. We are way.
Nigerian artists. Entertainment has gone global. And if you want the people to really enjoy your story, if you want the people to know about their history, if you want the people to know about your culture, your religion, everything about you is through entertainment. When we were a little bit small, what happened in those days is we know America through film. Is that not true? Yes. When we watch their film, we say, America too powerful, man. So these guys are wonderful. Most of us have not even traveled to America, but we know America through their works. So if we really want to project our history, if we really want to let the world know about our stories, about our culture, our food, everything is filmmaking. Because entertainment has no bar. If you want to entertain yourself, shoot by yourself here, which means you are not at all making any effort to let the world know about your history. And today, the young man called Lilwin has broken that gene. Anything whether not Lilwin or Lema, there's win in it. There's win in it, is that not true? And so let's give the man credit, because it's not easy to bring people outside, especially Nigerians. Bringing people like Charles Amon, bringing people like Ramsey, and bringing Mumu like me, Victor Sam. I know what he means. I know what he means. So I want you to support him in every meet. From prayer, from your prayer, from your acknowledgement, from posting of all the pictures and the news that is coming up from here, so that by tomorrow, whatever that happened today, if he has a break in this particular film, it will affect every other person. The news is what? No, the title, you know the title? The country called Ghana. Somebody needs to tell our story. We shouldn't be telling stories of only entertainment, about food, about sex, about this. No, people need to know our story, and that what makes you great globally. If they don't know your history, they don't know your history. So entertainment has come to stay. And I like Ghana, I love Ghana people, I love everything about you, your culture, and your entertainment sector is on. We are happy to be here, and believe you me, we are coming out with a bomb. God bless you and bless all the cast and crew that are going to be here, and bless our finances. This one's strong, they don't be like a wire, they gotta be like electric wire. Then the power, the energy when they generate, in fact, if it's scatter transformer. God bless you, I am happy, and I appreciate you all. God bless you in the name of Jesus. Yeah. Round of applause for the legendary. Amazing. Amazing. Covering on the fact that the only way we can sell our story is by the power of movie, and by extension, this very collaboration. On to the very next one. If I should tell you that for our legendary music group VVIP to have a seat in Nigeria, this man was also a contributor. Kindness can see his remix of Awonkawo. Who has ever heard the song? His remix to the popular song Awonkawo also gave the song a seat in the Nigerian music space. Ladies and gentlemen, Oga is here. Let's put your hands together. Yes, the Oga himself, the legendary, is here. And the name, I don't also want to risk it. Ajame, I don't want to risk Oga's name or Oga Charles. He will mention him, please. Put your hands together for the legend, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know why my name is giving them silence. My people, the organizers, I have something against you. Whenever you are doing something like this, you check people that are coming. Before you put on something like, check the height of the people you have invited. Check the height of people. Not if you want to talk to me, talk to me. I am not calling anybody's name. I am not calling anybody's name. But what I say is, check the height of the people so that when they talk, you see them. First of all, I had something in mind when I was coming here, and my brother just said it. We are not here. There is no Nigeria here. There is no Ghana here. We are just one African brothers. And we are here for the people. We are here to grow the industry. We are here to tell the outside world, the white man, that we have something better than them. The production the entertainment production, film production in the world. The white man has 80% studio work, but we have 80% live work. What we go through, they cannot go through it. They sit in a place and produce things that you will see and you wonder. But when we come, we use our brain. We don't have computers. If we have equipment as big as theirs, my brothers, we will go far. And when they invite people like Ramsey, Noah, Victor Swagu to come and take part in your production, it is to grow you. It is not to grow us. It is to grow you. And without them, your film will not go around the world. And it's for them to see those who are coming up and say, we have been there. We have been there. Our faces were used. Our faces were used to sell things. Bring upcomers. Now, most of those upcomers, we cannot even get to where they are. Then, those upcomers at that time, if they are said that, why did you bring this face to come and you will sell? That is the basic truth. You need those faces to sell your face. And here we are here in Ghana. I take Ghana as one of the villages in Africa. We are not here as Nigerians. We are here as filmmakers. We are here to make a country called Ghana to sell. And we have to do our work. My brothers, I am not looking at your face when I'm working. I am trying to grow myself. I'm not going anywhere. I am nowhere. I'm still trying. So, if I look at you when I am walking, I will not go far. When I go on stage, you'll be surprised, who is this? I am in Ghana to work. I am in Ghana to make it with my friend. He's been my friend for so many years. We don't know. We've not seen. We've not seen. But he's been my friend. This is my first time of seeing when I go to the airport. And I was so happy about it. So happy. Somebody who is been, we have been on TikTok. We have been on TikTok. It's been my big, when it comes to my life. When it comes to my life, I begin to shout. I begin to shout because I know what is coming next. Big. I can shout. So we are all helping ourselves as brothers. Not as Ghanaians, not as Nigerians. If you are in the set with us, if you look at us, you will fail. Look at yourself and know the powers you have. We have individual talents, and we use it to make ourselves. When you grow, they will use you to sell others too. That is it. The press, we don't come, we don't land. We are here to make the movie a country called Ghana. It is you that will sell it. It is you. No matter the shout we do, no matter what we do, it is with your help that we sell. If you like Lilwin, do what you can. Push everything to the world. Let the white man know that we have people here. Let them know that we are here to do more than they can do. If given an enabling environment, we'll be there. Thank you very much. I don't have more to say.
Thank you very much. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And to the man who has inarguably become a household name and a poster man for African movie. Ladies and gentlemen, I know your appetite is wet seeing him here on the podium. A round of applause to, of course, the man, Ramsey.
Hello, how are you? So great to be here. Thanks guys for coming through. First and foremost, let me recognize all the members of the press here. Thank you so very much. It's a great honor to meet you. You are one of the strongholds in the foundation of media. I know you know that. You either can make it or you can mar it. And with you, that's the reason why we also do the movies. So we have a visual way of pushing filmmaking, and you have a way of passing the news to the people. So positively or negatively, it all impacts. Thank you guys for coming. Thank you for coming. Please, clap for yourselves. Thank you. Also, a big round of applause for the guy that made this very possible, Lilwin. Please, a big round of applause. To all my Nigerian colleagues here, please, another big round of applause to Mr. Charles, Mr. Victor, the AGN press representing the Nigerian actors here in Ghana. A round of applause. Thank you guys. Thank you to all the organizers of this event and this project called A Country Called Ghana. I won't take your time. My colleagues have mentioned, they've spoken their hearts out as regards what they want you to understand about the collaboration. The collaboration is in no form. I'm just going to reiterate it, but I'm not going to push unnecessarily. It's in no form being a competition. This is not football. This is not AFCON, guys. Calm down. Come on, Charlie. This is information. We're just peddling information and talking about our history of people. It's not football where we'll be hitting on each other. No. This is film. And film is all about, telling your history and showcasing your story, how you feel it, and your emotions and whatever, to the world. And that's what it is. Telling people what you stand for, how you greet here, how you interact here, your language, and what it is, you tell it to the world. This is a bilateral relationship. In the same way Ghana and Nigeria, in politics, how they deal with each other. There are things in Nigeria that you guys want and you go get, and there are things in Ghana and Nigerians want that they come here to get. And those things is what you refer to as bilateral, right? And it's a relationship economically and politically that cuts across all countries in the world. I like the fact that somebody here used Africa as a village. Yes, it's about time, brother. Why do you need visa to go to South Africa, for the love of God? Why? It's a question I keep asking ourselves. We call ourselves brothers, we call ourselves neighbors, but we don't treat ourselves as such. Why? Why would that change? If you go with this mindset and this impression that, I am this, I am that, no. You're not my brother then. You're not my brother, I'm sorry. If you're my brother, you will treat me like we're equal, we're the same. And that's what I stand for. I don't think I need visa to go to Kenya, to Ghana, to Ethiopia. I think it's about time we make it a one village. We work together for each other, because that's the only way. The unity and the unification of the black man and the black skin is the only way, and I can guarantee you that unequivocally, without a doubt, that's the only way we can succeed and not be enslaved to our mentality of what the white man makes us want to believe. Please take that home. I beg of you, take it home. It's very important. We must take away that slave mentality. We are one. That's what I stand for. I am here as an actor in this film, A Country Called Ghana, and I'm looking forward to making it the best. It's been so long I've been back in Ghana to work. It's almost like over 10 years right now that I made a collaboration in Ghana. That's really long. Ghana was a second home for me for a long time. I was always coming here and I love it here. I love my people, I love my colleagues here, all my colleagues here, and both the female and the male colleagues, all of them. And the filmmakers here, I love them because they open the door for us to know that we're brothers. And I always appreciate them. Thank you guys. I appreciate it.
He defines the local balance in America. We can have all the reservations about the win, but you can't take away the fact that he has done what Napoleon could not do in the movie industry. Ladies and gentlemen, the very last and final reaction, the man of the moment, Kojo Kasala. Put your hands together for the man. Yes, put your hands together for the man. Put your hands together for the man.
I'll go to my language, please. With my language, I can't stop myself. I can stop myself. I can't my language. When I'm saying that, you're this. That's beautiful. Namibia Sunday. You did try that was a pastor. Said the year and you be on program and TV in the show. And never did my father, but I have to be a country from Ghana. Yamishamu. Makagana movie day, you know, in movie. Say, I say, and you sound better. Say, no, grab a movie. I'm keeping besides you know. Say, yeah, I can say for that. The again, they put for Fatia, it's keeping by. And I best the past 5-7 years. And that's actors, teenager, film, I got forms, film, I got TV station presenters, a toast, and says everyone in Gangua who be up with whose own TV station there. Says I got phone in Anama, that is Fatia with Yana Baby. They made a meeting here with you. No baby, my drama said to do what I do for my Ghana people. Now, you know, I'm going to question. Say, a trap, a double phone, a trap panel, a trap of quantity. A lot of movies are young folk have been listening. Ubisa said, you are a mountain in Kabi. I'm Pascal Can. The question in one and yourself, and you may be out the yard in the book of you. As I said, see you when you came here, who would you? Here, TV station A and Sarah movie. But you must be young for you to say Ghana for correct. TV here, let a woman. I think you are not quite a dear boy yesterday, a local Uganda. I'm not in a new one now, a agency, a father. But you may be here. It's not what I need to meet every point first.
Round of applause for that.
I want to met Chelsea. What to be our brothers, Mr. Noah and Mr. Charles and Mr. Victor. I believe God said this movie go to Netflix. And so you over Netflix, yeah. No one said it's such a good country. Any degree from the owner, it's made a international. Tell you maybe cameras, I am no air traffic event. Sound in the eye one, 2 letters 4 so 5 and never came apart from Gabriel. And that's your comments for pray. As I say, Opa Ghana, the Yoga, which now was no one, Ghana, and Rapa, the Ghana. I wasn't ever plenty. I will tap the local person, I was still one. It's a joy, ever so say. Is you join me, actively you live in your Mumbai and take it into more. I hope said a corner to street. And I'm going to Bambu. May you put me set up. And I believe my night is what I said. I told you the message. So we can call back home. And also we will be at home. When you have money. And you say, I don't know. I mean, what home. There must be a more than now. We are messing media for we say it would be. We have to be some questions. Say a country for Ghana there. I didn't have Nigeria for Kampala. And it's a young family that go there, this artist. Don't you talk with you, the woman and start, you know, this is that. In the next one, in the American movie, for movie with the Fatan of the Fran. And then I must have you talk with your Nigeria for Yaba. Me and Swag from Mommy once. Now we have a son. Mushi crying. And the baby part, if I shall be confessed with me. I mean, my own. I'm having the hard to do. But somebody will call me. Yes, I am. I want to say, never can I get a movie now, you know. The same, a movie, the still alive. And we just tomorrow when you're more fast than my legends.
Oh, round of applause for them.
Because I want to jump under my young age. One of the week, those legends. By the grace of God, the time is up. Today, I'm with them. I'm happy to see my superstars. I'm upcoming. The legends. About God bless you. You're welcome.
And there is one thing I want to put across real quick before we draw the curtains of today's video. A country that does not under its is not one time.